Hi everyone, this is Chandni Singh, and today's topic of discussion is brow baking. So I've been seeing this trending all over social media. I've seen a lot of videos, not too many as well. So I thought, how about doing a short little IGTV or YouTube, wherever you are watching this, and to share my views on it. So before I move forward, let me, because I'll be flooded with questions. What eyeshadow are you wearing? What lashes are you wearing? So today on my eyes, I have used the Too Faced Gingerbread Extra Spicy Palette. This is the third time I've used it. I used it on two of my brides and I've used it on myself today. I'm definitely going to review it. So far I've loved it. I'm wearing CS Essential Lashes in style Selena. I'm wearing Makeup Forever Stick Foundation. My face highlight is using the LA Girl Concealer in shade Yellow. And for my blush, I'm wearing Sparkling Bellini by Too Faced. And I've done my entire face using the CS Essentials brushes, which will be launching soon. So I am using a brow pomade. I'm using a Revolution Pro brow pomade in shade Chocolate. I'm using a spoolie and angular brush by CS Essentials. Let's get those brows in place. Say hello to my barely existing brows. So I usually prefer to keep my eyebrows really natural, but because we're particularly talking about brow baking today, I've gone all the way. Now whatever's left on my brush is what I just fill up right here in our upward stroke. The CS Essential brush helps us create beautiful small strokes with complete ease. Next step, I'm going to take the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Powder Duo, and the shade that I'm using is dark brown. Now I've just taken a little bit of Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. I'm using shade light medium and I'm just going to highlight my brows. I'm using the CS Essentials flat brush. CS Essentials Beauty Blender. And now let's bake. I'm using the Huda Beauty shade in Banana Bread. And I am going to use the CS Essentials concealer brush to apply the powder because I think it's just got about the right kind of size and density to apply it. The CS Essentials multi-purpose brush to bake my under eyes. So while I give it about 8 to 10 minutes for it to bake, I'm just going to finish my lipstick. And yes, I know we were talking just about brow baking, however, it made all the sense to bake my entire face. So let's see how it looks at the end of it. So I'm using the Too Faced Melted Matte Metallic in shade Faking It. I've used a NYX lip pencil. I've used the shade Vintage. Using the CS Essentials multi-purpose brush to remove the baking right here. And the CS Essentials powder brush to remove the powder on the rest of my face. So I just applied a lot of MAC Prep Plus Prime on my skin because baking dries up my skin, and if you see, instantly my right under eye bag, which is just fine until I baked, I started popping out a lot more, right? Coming to my eyebrows, do I like them? So all you need to do after you bake your brows is just take a spoolie and run it over, otherwise it looks really scary. And when I look at it closely, I just feel that they look so embedded into my skin, and this is going to stay for a long time. I'm definitely going to get back home and going to watch my eyebrows closely for how long do they last. And I'm definitely going to leave 2 lines right here at the end of this tutorial as to did it stay put forever or not. But yes, you definitely need to kind of remove it all with a spoolie later. Looks fantastic. My eyebrows look really full. This would also work very well for women who've got bushy eyebrows. All you need to do is not deposit a lot of color, just brow bake, just to kind of set your brow into place. So do let me know in the comments, guys, what do you think about this trend, and also let me know how do you feel that my eyebrows look, because I usually keep my eyebrows really natural. Thank you for watching.